Well, this is Burgess and Leigh Burleigh Ware Willow, dates from 1930s, 1940s. This is the round lidded vegetable tureen in very nice condition. 9-inch diameter from here to here, 10 inches between the two handles. Quite a deep tureen, as you can see from the side elevation. Classic 1930s English shape on this one. Wide rim with this beautiful Burleigh willow borders. Large, not particularly detailed in this instance, blockwork of the Blue Willow pattern, elements of it anyway, in the base of this bowl. And there's the period Burleigh Ware Willow, Burslem, England, made in England. Classic marks for Burleigh in the early days, with this rich gilt around the outer rims on this piece. Let's show you the lid. Again, perfectly round lid. Very unusual design handle. I don't really know how to describe this. It's sea urchin, slug-like in appearance. Really don't know what they were going for in that design, but it works. It gives you that little bit of support with it having that sort of knobbly bit on the top. And then twin transfer design repeating itself on both sides with the birds, willow tree, pagodas, etc. A little bit of artistic license here with the sort of flying birds in the distance. Not usually an element of the Blue Willow decoration pattern. Gilt lineage around the outer wall here and across, hand applied by the decorators. No factory marks on the underside of the lid, which is usual, normal. Very nice condition. These are rare pieces dating from the 1930s and 40s, probably 1937 through to around probably 1948 or 50s. I mean, they stopped making willow for a period in 1954 post-war in the rationing period. So most Burleigh willow is sort of 1930s. The initial production started in 24 on this design as Welwyn willow, I think, from memory, and then they pretty rapidly transferred to the Burleigh Ware Willow as a brand design because it was so much more recognisable to the retail side of their business. Two of these, both in identical condition, very rare pieces now considering their dates, and condition of these two is as good, I think, as you're going to find anywhere currently in the market. So we'll pop a link in the description below taking you through to our website listing. We've done a recent video showing you this whole collection of Burleigh dinner and teawares that it came through. We've got a lot of flatware and serving dishes and decorative pieces and an extremely rare teapot coming on catalogue over the next couple of days, so it may well be worthwhile having a look through the collection on our website if you're looking at a specific replacement piece. Thanks for watching.